Hello friends, welcome to Nachotrix YouTube channel. Today I am going to share 7 effective yoga poses to increase your brain power. So let's get started. Your brain is marvelous organ capable of doing the unbelievable. Protecting its sanity and well-being should be the top priority. Many factors degenerate the brain, allowing psychiatric disorder to set in to avoid this. Strengthen and maintain your brain's capabilities by practicing the following 7 yoga poses. Yoga to increase brain power. Your brain is a muscle and needs exercises for better functioning. Yoga is the best form of exercise that improves brain function. Stress and anxiety can cause your brain to malfunction, and that is what yoga can help avoid. Yoga regulates the vagus nerve that deals with your body's mood and stress levels. It differs from other brain improving exercises in its ability to facilitate proper breathing pattern that helps a great deal in calming your body and invigorating your mind. Yoga for brain power 7 effective poses. First one, Padmasana, the lotus pose. Padmasana or the lotus pose is synonymous with the great fables associated with the lotus. Lotus is considered a symbol of purity, enlightenment, and detachment. Padmasana is a meditative pose that works best when done in the morning and not necessarily on an empty stomach. Hold this intermediate level Hatha Yoga pose for at least 1 to 5 minutes. Benefits of Padmasana. Padmasana relaxes the mind and calms the brain. It gives a good stretch to your ankles and knees, make your body posture. Padmasana awakens the chakras in your body and increases your awareness. Second one, Vajrasana, the diamond pose. Vajrasana is a kneeling exercise usually accompanied by breathing exercises. Practicing the Vajrasana enables your body to become as strong as a diamond. Unlike other yogasanas, Vajrasana can be practiced after a meal. Hold this beginner's level Vinyasana yoga pose for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Benefits of Vajrasana. Vajrasana aids proper digestion and with regular practice eliminates constipation. The pose helps your body relax and increases blood circulation. It also improves the flexibility of the lower body and tones your muscles. Third one, Ardha Matsyendrasanam, half spinal twist pose. Ardha Matsyendrasana or the half lord of the fishes pose. Renamed after the sage Matsyendrasana, it is a half spinal twist with numerous variations. The pose is a part of the 12 basic Hatha Yogasanas. Practice this asana either early in the morning on an empty stomach and clean bowels, or 4 to 6 hours after a meal in the evening. Hold this basics level Hatha Yoga pose for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits of Ardha Matsyendrasana: relieves stiffness in the back and invigorates the spine, which has a therapeutic effect on the mind beside improving digestion. This pose increases the supply of oxygen to the lung and detoxifies the internal organs. It also purifies the blood and improves its circulation. Fourth one, Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana or the seated forward bend is a classic Hatha Yoga pose that is very simple to do. This asana gives your body a good stretch and concentrate on the back. Practice the pose in the morning on an empty stomach and clean bowels. If not possible in the morning, do it in the evening after 4 to 6 hours from your last meal. During practice, hold this basic Hatha Yoga pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits of Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is the seated forward fold. It stimulates the spine and calms the mind. The asana reduces the headache and fatigue and cures insomnia and high blood pressure. It also increases the appetite and reduces obesity. Fifth one, Halasana, the plow pose. Halasana or the plow pose uncovers the hidden capabilities of your body. The plow pose is a farming instrument used in many Asian countries that turns the soil in preparation for sowing seeds. The pose represents the shape of the plow and is an advanced yoga pose. Practice the pose in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening with a gap of 4 to 6 hours from your last meal. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds during the practice. Benefits of Halasana. Halasana regulates metabolism and normalizes the blood sugar levels. This pose releases the strain in the back and enhances your posture. It also reduces stress and calms the brain. It gives your shoulder a good stretch and stimulates the underworking thyroid gland. Sixth one, Mayurasana, the peacock pose. Mayurasana or the peacock pose resembles a peacock. When it walks around with its feather down, it seems like a complicated pose to do, but with a little practice, it gets comfortable. It is best to practice this pose in the morning on an empty stomach, as our body has the energy generated from digesting the meal of the previous night. Hold this pose for 30 to 60 seconds during practice. Benefits of Mayurasana. Mayurasana detoxifies the body and keeps fever at bay. It strengthens your abdominal area, energizes your kidneys, and fights diabetes. It makes your spine stronger and improves posture. The asana improves concentration and coordination between the mind and the body. Seventh one, Shirshasana, the headstand pose. Shirshasana or the headstand is the king of all yoga poses. It requires complete inversion of your body and good upper body strength. Shirshasana needs a series of preparatory exercises over a period to do the asana. It is necessary that your stomach is empty and bowel clean to practice this asana. Try to hold the pose for at least 1 to 5 minutes for beginners. It is safe to attempt the posture using the support of a wall. Benefits of Shirshasana. Instantly calms your body. It stimulates the pituitary gland, strengthens the lungs, improves digestion and cures the asthma. It makes the arms and legs stronger.